How to stop receiving emails from Aliexpress. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop receiving emails from Aliexpress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Aliexpress app and then here wait for this ad to close, and then you have to go to your account. So tap on your account in the bottom right corner here. And then once you're in your account, you have to tap on the settings icon here in the top right side, and then here in settings tap on notification settings, and here you will first see the in-app notifications, so you can turn off which notification you don't want. And then here you will see the manage email subscriptions. Tap on it and here you will see all of the emails you get, so you can turn off what emails you don't want from Aliexpress. And so this is how you can stop receiving emails from Aliexpress. Thanks for watching.